Hi book friends. Today I'll be reading Bert and Ernie's first book of opposites. It's a Sesame Street book. Let's practice our opposites together. Let's open the book. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello. Today, Bert and Ernie are learning about opposites. Do you know the opposite of hello? That's right. The opposite of hello is goodbye. Hello, Bert. Goodbye, Ernie. Hello and goodbye are opposites. Shh! When Bert goes to the library, he must be very quiet. Do you know the opposite of quiet? Yes, the opposite of quiet is loud. When Ernie plays the drums, he is very loud. Oh, Ernie, you don't play the drums at the library. You gotta go outside for that. So quiet and loud are opposites. Oh no, it's starting to rain. But Bert has an umbrella to stay dry. Do you know the opposite of dry? You're right. The opposite of dry is wet. When it rains, Ernie loves to splash and play. He gets very wet. So dry and wet are opposites. Bert walks slowly down the street. Do you know the opposite of slow? You got it. The opposite of slow is fast. Ernie likes to run. He can run very fast. Ooh, not too fast, Ernie. Careful now. So slow and fast are opposites. What a busy day. Do you know the opposite of day? Good job. The opposite of day is night. Ernie and Bert are ready for bed. Good night. So the opposite of day is night. Day and night are opposites. Now it's your turn. How many opposites can you find in Bert and Ernie's bedroom? Do you see their bedroom? And do you see some opposites? Let me see. Well, I noticed that Ernie has a mess. There's socks on the floor and all his toys are everywhere. And look at Bert's side. So nice and tidy. There's nothing on the ground. So I'm going to say that messy and clean are opposites. And what else? I see two doors. One door here and the other over here. This door is open. This door is closed. Open and closed are opposites. That's right. So that's two opposites that I see in their bedroom. And the third one is, I see Ernie here is awake. Both his eyes are open. And check out Bert. He's tucked in looking so cozy. And he is asleep. Both of his eyes are closed. So awake and asleep are opposites. That was fun. Taking our turn and finding the opposites in their bedroom. Well, good night, Ernie. Sweet dreams, Bert. And that's how Bert and Ernie's first book of opposites ends. Can you clap with me? That was fun practicing our opposites with these two friends. Yes, I learned a lot, and I hope that you did too. Bye-bye, book friends.